Patio doors play a much bigger role in your home than many homeowners realize. In Conshohocken, where seasonal weather shifts and charming residential architecture go hand in hand, outdated patio doors can quietly undermine comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Replacing old patio doors is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment in your home's performance, security, and everyday enjoyment. Improved energy efficiency year-round. Older patio doors often lack proper insulation, allowing drafts in winter and heat gain in summer. In Conshohocken's climate, this can mean higher energy bills and uneven indoor temperatures. Modern patio doors are designed with advanced features such as double or triple pane glass, low emissivity coatings, and insulated frames. These upgrades help keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, reducing strain on your HVAC system and lowering monthly utility costs. Over time, the energy savings alone can offset a significant portion of the replacement cost, making new patio doors a smart long-term decision. Enhanced comfort and noise reduction. If your current patio doors rattle, stick, or let in outside noise, replacement can dramatically improve your living environment. New doors glide smoothly, seal tightly, and block unwanted drafts. Many homeowners notice an immediate improvement in comfort, especially in rooms that open directly to a deck, patio, or backyard. For homes near busy streets or active neighborhoods in Conshohocken, upgraded patio doors can also reduce outdoor noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful interior. Increased natural light without the drawbacks. One of the best features of patio doors is the natural light they bring into your home. However, older glass can cause glare, fading of furniture, or excessive heat buildup. Modern patio doors allow you to enjoy abundant daylight while filtering harmful UV rays. This means brighter living spaces without sacrificing comfort or damaging interior finishes. Replacing your patio doors can make rooms feel larger, more inviting, and better connected to the outdoors. Improved security and peace of mind. Security standards have come a long way in recent years. Older patio doors may have outdated locks, thin glass, or weakened frames that make them easier to breach. New patio doors are built with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass options. For Conshohocken homeowners, this added layer of protection provides peace of mind, especially for doors that serve as a main entry point to the home. Boosted home value and curb appeal. Patio doors are highly visible from both inside and outside the home. Worn frames, foggy glass, or outdated styles can detract from your home's overall appearance. Replacing them instantly refreshes your space and enhances curb appeal. Whether you plan to sell in the future or simply want to enjoy your home more, new patio doors are an attractive upgrade that appeals to buyers and homeowners alike. Easier maintenance and better durability. Old patio doors often require frequent repairs, repainting, or adjustments. New materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum-clad frames are designed to withstand moisture, temperature changes, and everyday wear with minimal maintenance. This is especially beneficial in areas like Conshohocken, where weather conditions can be unpredictable. With modern patio doors, you'll spend less time fixing problems and more time enjoying your home. A better connection to outdoor living. Replacing your patio doors can transform how you use your outdoor space. Wider openings, smoother operation, and contemporary designs make it easier to transition between indoors and outdoors. Whether you're entertaining guests, enjoying morning coffee, or letting fresh air in, new patio doors enhance how you experience your home. For Conshohocken homeowners, replacing old patio doors is a practical upgrade with immediate and lasting benefits. From energy savings and comfort to security and style, modern patio doors help your home work better for you, today and for years to come.